Another way to change the root password. The community came in clutch, and this time was user Balaf. He just suggested a new way to do this. There he is. He's married. He pointed out that this is possible. I completely forgot this method was possible. There are other methods. I'm going to post them here in the channel soon. All about ways to recover the root password that are different than the regular rd.break. Without further ado, let's go. If you're watching this in a short form, I recommend watching the long form. Also, I bits on that video channel, on that video site, on long form, so you can have better readability. Go to the Ozoi bits that on that video's website, and you will check the long form so you can see it better. If you're watching the short form on that video site, just click the description below or click the linked video. Let's go. Or go to my blog, ozoi.com/oblog. So here you have it. This is a grub. At this point, you already should know how to get to here. Okay. So just type the E key to edit. You go to the end and type system d.debug. I need to take care of my characters. Okay, file. It's nice. Shell. So systemd.debug_shell. I'm going to put this in the description. You hit F10 or Control X. I usually hit Control X just out of habit. Then you will boot. Don't get disappointed because it will look like a normal boot to any other normal process. So it will show up as normal. Go to the F9, Control Alt F9. So basically this is TTY 9, Control Alt F9. Go to the video terminal 9, and now you just do your stuff. Just we are already root. Okay, you just redo the password thingamajiggy. You have set your password. So this method is it's almost like magic because you don't need to mount, remount, and set SL Linux contexts. Then to get rid of this, you just do systemctl stop and what's called debug.shell.service. This window just died. It's out of commission. Okay, you can do nothing with it. You just go back to your regular login screen and you just log in with your regular user account or log in in the non-GUI thingamajiggy. Yeah, that's about it. That's about it. It's awesome. So test this before you trust. Choose your preferred method. Like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.